Hello everyone, how are you all? So guys, you are going to watch right now a little bit different kind of activity which I am trying to show you. And this is my professional work which I do 6 days in a week. Now watching this video, how are you feeling? Are you guys getting any knowledge? So if you guys getting any knowledge from this video, and subscribe the channel and support this channel. After finish my study, I came in Bangalore and I start working the job, but I'm loving to do this. And after doing this work, I am getting lot of knowledge. I'm getting lot of things to know to improve myself. It is one of the kitchen where I work, and to make the reality to make food, we can see lot of kind of item. We can see lot of kind of thing we use. Have you noticed anything that same burger I have made, but same thing I put to make a single burger? So how this burger look like? Let me in the comment section. And do you like this job? I really like this job, and that's why I work. This is our pickup counter where lot of food come together for pickup. Thank you watching for this video, and subscribe the channel to get this kind of video.